Hi, this is Surreal Circles. Now we'll go discuss today nanocad. Okay, here we go. Here we'll start with the new file. Maximizing, go to the view, new document, and select the limits. Here. So here today we'll go to discuss about the how the commands, that is nano commands. So nanocad commands for the line, circle, and rectangle, polygon, and dimensions, okay, and text command how we have to use. Okay, here I'm taking the first we have to put it the drawing limits, so I'm putting the drawing limits for the A0 sheets. So with I'm taking the landscape mode, so 1189 841. Okay, here I have taken the drawing sheet limits now, so I'm putting the one rectangle for easy to giving the limits to view the limits. So I'm taking the 0 count 0 1189 count 841. Okay, here, so here I taken the limits, so I'm taking the pan zoom, so exact view for we have to auto zoom option will be there. So for auto zoom, so if you should have to select the auto zoom if you don't see the rectangle symbol on your screen. Okay, here first whoever we have, so first we have to begin. So first we have to take the starting with the grid command. Okay, here this one the status bar. So for this one we have to click the double click to grid will be appeared here. Okay, then so here we have to take the snap modes. So we are having the different type of snaps. So before going to the snaps, so how the what is the difference we can change. Okay, so we did not click any snap. So here first we'll take the line from the drawing tools. Here I'm starting with the here, so you can observe that so snaps will be changed. So at the here we have grid will be on, so whatever drawing that will be easy here. Okay, so grid will be appear to easy to draw the exact location. Okay, so if you want to draw here you can change. Okay, it will be easy to know the what is location. So ortho track, so if in option it is easy to draw it better. How it is done? Okay, this line command how we can use from the drawing tools, let us see. Okay, so this is how to change it. Okay, now so now we will use the snap command. So before going to snap command, so we have to add this endpoint. Okay, before going to endpoint it will show us endpoint. So if we off the endpoint, okay, so it directly goes to the endpoint. So if we off the snap mode, so it is shows this one point, this one is okay. If it's on the snap mode, it will show you what is the which point is that. Okay, it is nearest to line or nearest to not. Okay, it is the end point of the line, so we can go to the either direction for the reference lines or nearest lines. Okay, it is shows easy to the snaps for easy drawing. Okay, here I'm selecting different types, let us see. Okay, here we can observe that. Okay, this one is all. So we can change different types modes whatever we're having. See, let's start. Now grid. So for each time the endpoint will be shows in this way. Okay, this is how we are looking at grid and snap commands. Okay, now we'll use the command mode. Here first we enter the on the grid. Okay, so to turn on the grid we have to enter the grid. Okay, toggle grid option will be there. Okay, so within here see, okay, grid option will be there to turn on which you can. So again, if you enter the grid again, okay, it will off. To turn on grid, just enter the grid and enter in the command prompt. Okay, here also. Next, so we'll go for the next line command. So line command, we have different types of lines, spines, line styles. So if you go on to go, first we'll start with the line command here. So this one is a rectangle which having the here 841 and next 1189. Okay, 1189 mm. Okay, here's the size. So before going to the size, so want to give the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, here we have the x-axis, y-axis. Okay, so for x-axis we're having the dimensions, that is 1189, and y-axis having the 841. Okay, height. So this, so we have to select so which point we want to talk. Okay, from which point you have to draw the line. Okay, it will suffice. So we enter the line command, then enter. So specify the first point. It will ask the first point, which one is the first point. So we can use the by mouse, you can select this point as a line command, or else you can see. So wanted to give the command mode, or else you have to use the mouse. So which command, which one is useful for you. Okay, that you have to select. After command, just enter. Okay, next, this is how we can use the line command. And next we'll use the circle. So here we have different of circles. So for circle, we are having if you want to enter the circle, having the circle by 3 point, circle by center and radius, circle by diameter, circle by 2, circle by diameter, circle by 3 points. So different commands are there. So first we enter the circle by center and radius. Okay, here I'm selecting the 1 point on the grid. Okay, that is a 50, 50. Next time we enter the radius, so I'm taking the 50 mm radius. Then see here, it will appear here, you can observe that. Okay, this one is the 50, 50. This point is the 50 and 50. Okay, so here the 50 mm radius, that will have the drive. Okay, so you can observe that. Now we'll use the another command, that is polygon. Okay, here polygon. So I'm selecting this one is first selecting the radius. So selecting the radius for this one, so I'm selecting the radius, enter the number of slides, that is take the polygon 6 and specify the center, specify this. Okay, I'm taking the 100, 100. Next, so it will have the inscribed and subscribed. Okay, inscribed or circumscribed. So here I'm selecting the inscribed. Okay, so here it will ask the specific radius. Okay, I'm taking the now 50 mm radius. Okay, see how it is like. See, this is the circle of radius. This is a polygon how it is. Okay, now so if you draw the circle, okay, circle around this, so if you draw the circle around this one, okay, how it look. Okay, let us check. See, here we are again going to circle command, circle by center and radius. So I'm taking the 100, 100 for the center, next radius 50 mm radius. See, so inscribed means thus inside the circle we are going to draw the polygon. Okay, let us, we'll check the another command, polygon. Okay, polygon again, first we're going to select the 6. Next, specify the center. Here I'm specifying the center. Next, inscribe the circumference. So I'm doing circumference. Now radius 50 mm. See, let us check. Next, if you go to draw the circle, I'm taking the circle here, circle point, snap. So it is to find center point for using time. It will have the diameter 50 mm radius. See, this is how what is the difference between the circle. Okay, so for inscribed the circle, okay, the polygon inside the circle. Okay, circumference means So the polygon having the inside circle. Okay, so that is the difference. So we have to know what is the difference between polygon, circumscribed and subscribed. Okay, so these are basics things we have to know about the cat. Okay, now so we give the dimensions for this one. So here for using dimensions, go to the, we can directly using the menu bar. So we give the auto mode, horizontal, vertical, line, ordinate, diameter, radius, okay, arc, adjacent, dimensions, group dimension, different types there. Okay, so here first we'll use the, first we are having the center and radius, we are having the center, diameter, real dimensions. So first we'll use the radius command. Okay, radius dimensions. Here we mention the radius from point to here. Okay, which point to here? This point. So you can observe. Okay, this is a 50 mm radius, right? You can observe here. Now again we go for the dimensions. That is diameter. We are here. From which point to which? See, there's a, it will show in the correct one. So this is a showing the file. Okay, it is how it is looked for dimensions. Now we'll check the another, that is vertical, okay, or horizontal align. Here check the align mode. Here we mention the diameter nearest. To check, we can check this one, align vertical line. Okay, now we'll take the horizontal. See from which point to it point, it's showing them. Okay, this is how you use this thing. Go for the here, it will ask you from okay. How? So we can put the dimensions in this one. Okay, now we'll go for the text command. Here text command is there, add the text. So for the add text command, we have to select the first area. Okay, first we have to select the text area, then to select the height, I'm selecting the 10 mm height. Next 100. Font size are different. Okay, different font size are there. And so I'm writing the text now. This is font. Okay. So want to increase the size, you can increase the size by entering this one up. So we'll see. Okay, see how it looks. So by changing this one, if we can change the dimensions of them. Okay, orange. Okay, so I'm writing the hair again. This is the default way. So we can change this with dimensions to different types. Okay, this is how it is. So after that, you can put the escape. Okay, you want same years. See how it is. After you control enter, you can see that. Okay, the difference is for this. Okay, if you want to increase this text, okay, so if you don't see the text, want to increase the text height or size, just select it. Okay, then you can here you can change dimensions. So this is one thing. Okay, this is the for electrical how, so we can change those. Okay, so this is the basic things for the beginners. Okay, it will be easy for learn. Okay, so if you didn't subscribe to our channel for more detailed views. Okay, thank you. This is for electrical signing off.